Today, Gyan Bharati Vidyapith conducts experiment, inter-class science experiment and project display. So, we are going to start with our first participants from class 6, Shaswan Jaiswal, Krishna Kumar and Pranjal Sir. Their topic is air balloon.
Today, we are going to present a science experiment on the topic balloon powered car. So, for this experiment, we did these things. Like a cardboard, a straw, a balloon, and on the bottom of the cardboard, as you can see, there are two straws filled with 4 bottle caps. Now my friend Shashwat will blow the balloon with the help of straw. Now he will place his thumb on the top of the straw part. Now he will put this on the floor. Now as you can see, this is moving like a car. This is moving like a car. So this is because air is forced out of the edge of the balloon, which means for every reaction there is equal and opposite reaction according to the Newton's law of motion. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.
Very well said by the students of class 6. Now, the students of class 7, Somdas, Rehan Sonkar, Yogesh Singh, Ankit Kumar Mishra will show their experiment. Cellular respiration.
Today, we are going to show a science experiment on the topic cellular respiration. At first, we have to know what is cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is a process which converts oxygen and glucose to give off heat, carbon dioxide and water. An example of cellular respiration is the growth of yeast in the presence of glucose. Here, we have two bottles, bottle A and bottle B. 2 balloons, yeast and sugar. Let's add an equal amount of warm water. Now we will add yeast to the bottles. Bottle Now we will seal the bottles by placing a balloon over the opening. Now we will seal the bottles. When the yeast cells grow, they divide and break down to produce carbon dioxide and water as waste products. Carbon dioxide is produced in bottle B because the yeast has divided and multiplied cells in the presence of glucose. As you can see, the balloon on bottle B has inflated while the balloon on bottle A has not changed. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Gyan Sonkar with my friend Vidyapith and Rishabh Agarwal of class 8. Today on the science experiment competition, we are going to explain the topic CO2 doesn't support combustion or burning. At first, let us know about CO2 doesn't support burning. At normal temperature, carbon dioxide can't produce oxygen, which is supporter of combustion. That's why at normal temperature, carbon dioxide doesn't support combustion. Now me and my friend Rishabh Agarwal is going to do the experiment. Here we can see that when we added ENO in vinegar, it produces CO2 gas, and as we know that CO2 doesn't support burning, so when the gas comes near the flame, it gets put off. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Akash Agarwal of class 9.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Krishna Bhattacharya from class 9.
Good afternoon. My name is Amit Shah from class 9.
Today we are here to demonstrate the experiment on transpiration. Transpiration is a process by which plant excrete water vapor, and the water vapor is used to surround to cool the environment. There are three types of transpiration: stomatal transpiration, cuticular transpiration, and lenticular transpiration. The stomatal transpiration have the most part, at least 80 to 90% of the transpiration has happened through the stomata, and the lenticular transpiration is the transpiration happened through the lenticle, and the cuticular transpiration is the transpiration that happens through the cuticle. The factors that affect transpiration are heat, light, temperature, and the structure of fluid. Now my friend Amit will continue.
Today I am going to tell the advantage and disadvantages of transpiration. Advantages: transpiration helps to keep the temperature cool, and it helps to maintain the water supply all throughout the plant. So it helps in the photosynthesis. Now disadvantage: for transpiration is a necessary evil process. Means if too much transpiration will happen, it make the plant dry, and then the water supply of the plant will not manage, and it will loses its nutrition and rate of photosynthesis. Thank you.
Now, for this experiment, we need a water bottle plant covered with plastic bag, cold water, and tissue papers. As we can know that due to opening of the stomata, the transpiration are occur in the form of water vapor through the sunlight. So, at first, we have to cover the plant with the plastic bag. Now, we have to put the tissue paper over the plastic bag dipped into the cold water. Because there must be the cold temperature in the outer side rather than the plant inside the polythene bag. There must be some cool temperature. Now we have to wait for some time for coming out the bubbles, the water droplets. Now we can see that the water droplets are forming inside the plastic because the water are evaporated through the water vapor in the form of water vapor through the stomata. So due to the cold temperature in the outer side, the water vapor will convert into the water droplets due to the saturation of water. Thank you.
So here we have come to an end of our inter-class science experiment and project display. I would like to thank the judges for their precious time to come here and judge this experiment.
Good afternoon everyone. It's a really nice one. We all have enjoyed it. Your program was really good. So now it is the time to announce the result. As it is said that it is a competition between class 6 and class 7. So from this class the winner is class 6. Both classes are very good. We have enjoyed a lot. Only 1 marks difference. Okay. Class 6 total 80 out of 100, 50 by 80%, and class 7 79%. Only 1 mark difference. Very good. And we should want to mention one name here. It is Pranjal Shaw. Very good. Right. Next, between class 8 and 9, the winner is class 9.